guys, you know who it is. It's Sniper123 HD here, and today we are going to be doing Pokemon cards opening. Oh yeah, 20 electric types in here, and this pack. Not sure if there's any coins though. Yes, no, 2 foil cards. 20. Okay, guys, can you see that? Right, so you can already see Luxray with 1 foil and Raichu with 90 health and 100 damage. Right, let's get this. Shh. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm somewhere other than my house. I don't want me to open this. So yeah, guys, let's get straight with the 20 electric. Jeez, I want these cards. Okay, so, okay, and there's the pack. So let's get started with these. First of all, oh, shush, please. So we got Luxray. We've got Manectric. Luxio. Services Strike. The other version. Electro Balls, yes! Emolga! Not really it. Yep. Yep. That's the first 20 electric types. So we'll just go back through that. Luxray, Manectric, Luxio, Zebra Strike, Leets, Sheep, Minimum, yep. Electrobuzz, Joltik, and emolga. Oh. Shh. So you guys, sorry if you can hear people in the background. Yeah, let's start off with this Raichu. Magma Zone. Jolteon. Pika Pika. Pika Pika. What does he know? Thundershock. Chinchou. Magma Mine. Electric. Raichu. So guys, if you did that, then well done. But now we're going to move on to the Pokemon pack. That's cool. Mega Charizard. Right, let's get this pack opening. Going. Right, so we got that. That's cool. 1, 2, 3. Brick shovel, for starters. Fletchender. Sacred ash. Scraggy, one of Ash's Pokemon. Pinico. Sneasel. Espo. Stunky. Shiny leaf guys. Look at me, something better than that. Skunt tank. So you guys, just going back on that, we got Trick Shovel, Fletchender, Sacred Ash, Scraggy, Pinico, Sneaky, Espo, Stunky, Looseleaf, Stunk Tank. Right, so let's go back over. So you already seen them. Right. So yeah guys, that was good. Good and better. No yaxes.
Change your ass. Really. Automatic. She didn't play, didn't she?
Yeah, we didn't really. Wow, but. Okay, guys. Out of all these cards, I know it's going to be weird, but emolga is my favourite because I don't know, emolga's cute. Okay guys, if you like this video, press the like button down in the description below and subscribe. So for now guys, goodbye. See you later.